Okay, y'all. So everybody was mostly saying do a face video. So let's get into it. I got my box right here with everything in it. And I'm in my room because my kids just got out of school. Y'all know I be just not getting off work. But I was craving a little bit, so I did eat a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. This is the snack bag. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this Star Bossy Mix. I should have grabbed my spoon. Next, we're gonna try the Star Delight from in the snack pack. Okay, last out of the snack pack, we got the Star Galaxy, Baby World, and Spring Fresh. Let me try this one. Mmm. 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 I don't know what that Star Galaxy is, but it is good as heck. It's the Baby World. Mm. They coming through with the scents. This Spring Fresh. Mm-hmm. Mm. All right, y'all, set my plate up. I got the Downy Passion, the Peach Orange, Sweet Melody, the Chunky Crumbles, I believe, Crumbies. This one is the Bubbles, Star Bubbles, and that one is the, no, that one might be the Peachy. Sweet Melody, Downy Passion. Oh, the Bossy Mix. This the Bossy Mix, one of those. But, yeah, I'll get the picture. We're going to get into it. That peachy orange is so good. Sweetie Melody. Mmm. 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 No lie, that Sweetie Melody remind me of an old, clean, fresh, dressing, looking good grandpa. This is Laundry Blast. It's the last one. The samples I'm gonna do in another video. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.